Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. And as I said, we have, we're starting on our whipped soaps for the summer and whatnot. And Ava wants to add her All You Need Is Love. Yeah, but she's only using 3 of the 5 colors. She's using lapis blue, neon pink, and neon purple. So what I'm going to do is we are going to make 16 ounces. I'm going to measure it up in the bowl. I have my cream soap in various jugs over here. I'm going to mix everything up in the bowl, and then maybe we'll do 12 ounces because it's a new scent. Let's do 12 ounces. Anyway, but we will come back once everything is completely whipped up and ready to go with our coloring and whatnot. So we'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye.
Just for a sec.
Yep. Okay, we are at capacity. Sorry, that's loud. I know, you guys. Okay, there we go. She is very excited. I'm even going to let her put these have all been alcoholed and bleached and whatnot. So I am going to let Ava, let me put this up some more so you guys can see.
Hello.
Oh, you know what? I can put that back a little bit. Oh, let me put this back just a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, okay. So I'm going to let Ava.
Color?
Well, I was going to let you put the soap. Okay, you don't want to? All right. I'll let you do the color, though. We pulled out our old reliable Simon because we have to use the whisk attachment to mix the color and the fragrance in. Now these, yes, of course. I already told you you could.
Oh, yeah.
This is your baby. This is the one that you begged me to do, remember? And we bought the big bottle because it's selling so well in bar soap that we have to make it in other stuff. We're going to make this in, not in lotion, it's only special order for lotion because there's only the 4 that we make. But if they want it we're going to make it in sugar scrub. Do we have what? Oh, I don't know if we'll have extra yet, but if we do have extra, it is yours. Because I know that this smells like love to you.
I can't see my heart.
That's what she said to me. She said, Mimi, this smells like love. I said, okay, I guess that one's it. All right. I don't know if we're going to have extra. Will you quit asking me that? I don't know yet. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to have Ava.
Put the color in.
No, I'm going to have you alcohol me again.
Oh, no.
No, spray it. Okay, there we go. All right. So I can open the top of this. Oh, let's open the top of it. The little like plastic piece that sits on the top of it was there. All right. So this is what we're going to do.
It smells like love.
Fill it up. Okay, let it go. You got to let it go. Let it go. Like that. Yeah, there you go.
Do it again.
Like that. 1. There, put it in the other one. Okay, so squeeze it and then unsqueeze it. There you go. We got some. We'll put a little bit more in that one. Yep. Squeeze it and then unsqueeze it. There you go. Good job. All right.
Put all of it?
Yep, and that can go in the sink. Sorry, guys.
I thought we throw this away.
Yeah, we are, but I always just stick everything in the sink until I'm done. All of these spoons have been washed in alcohol. So which one do you want the blue in? In that one? Okay.
Blue is my second favorite color.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I did not know that. Now, we don't need a ton of blue. And remember, it's not going to be as blue as you think it is.
We may need more.
Okay. No, I don't think we're going to need more.
Maybe.
We may need less. Okay. Which one is the pink?
Next.
Which one is
Right
the
here.
pink? Okay.
Right, like this.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, wait a minute. That's a pigment.
What's a pigment?
A pigment means that it's more pigmented. No, it just means that I really got to make sure that that gets mixed up. Okay, put that in the sink. And the purple is a pigment too because it's a neon. You know what else is a pigment? Titanium dioxide.
What's that?
What? The white. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't let you do that. You want to finish it? Here, I'll let you finish it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Ava.
That's fine. I don't care.
Well, but
But
you
with
know,
my
you
big-
want to make as much of this as possible. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Ava mix all of these up.
Off camera.
Yep, off camera, and I'm going to load it into some Glad wrap, and we'll be back to pipe everything. All right.
Woohoo!
That was absolutely hilarious. We're having trouble with Simon.
Yeah, Simon's
And
the better.
yeah, and Ava was right. There was not enough blue in there, so we had
Kind
to.
of baby blue.
All right, now the most important thing is see how there's white at the bottom. We have to make. Yep, we got to make sure all that white is gone. Do you want to do the pink?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pink is my third favorite color.
Your third favorite color?
Purple's my favorite.
Yes, I know purple is your favorite.
Because I can see white in here. How do you mix that?
You just make sure to stick the spatula way down at the bottom.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Looks like melted strawberries.
It looks like melted strawberry. By the way, I got soap all over the counter. Ava was like, I gotta get down off of here.
Because I was about to get, because I got soap right here.
Yeah, she got so. Don't worry, it's not gonna burn you. This soap is already cured.
Yum, yum, yum.
Although when I make it and I stick it in the bucket that we just emptied, then you can't touch it. But that'll be in the
Why?
soap because it won't be cured. Cream soap
Is this good?
takes a long time to.
That's
Here,
so
let me
hard.
help. That's all right. I'll help you.
My hands are so weird.
I will help you.
How do you do that?
You just got to be gentle with it. That's all.
I'm being gentle with it, but it won't mix when I do gentle.
Okay.
Pakalaka.
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Huh?
Where did that come from? I saw a
A
movie that they were saying that in. I don't remember what it was. Anyway. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to spray myself. I'm going to spray Ava.
How many sprays?
And I'm going to spray this counter down again.
And, also got
And
soap
Simon.
on
And I'm going to get rid of Simon because we're not going to need him anymore. And my back hurts so bad. I am not doing Groove is on the Heart tonight. That's not happening.
Tomorrow after school?
Yeah, we can do it tomorrow after school if you want, but depending on how long it is, I
got
might
some
just,
behind.
hey, listen to me. Depending on how long that video is, I may just attach it to this one. Just us making All You Need Is Love. Or, Groove is in the Heart. Because there's 6 colors to that one.
You remember
Okay.
last I had your little square thing and it had music on it?
Yeah.
What's it called again?
My iPod?
Your,
Oh, can I shut them off? All right, we'll be right back. Okay, because so I can just switch bags and I don't have to worry about it. All right, so because the piping on the top of All You Need Is Love is done with a round tip, we are using a round tip.
again.
Squeeze your bag, and we're gonna squeeze.
The noise is so weird.
I know, isn't it?
Hope this is a bestseller.
I hope it is too, baby. I hope it sells well. I gotta make sure I'm getting a good angle for everybody.
Can you see, guys? Yeah.
Hopefully.
They can.
Okay. Are you watching the camera feed?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what I do when you're piping.
That's what you do when I'm piping. We are definitely gonna have some left over.
The noise sounds so weird.
The noise definitely does sound weird. Although, you know what's really weird? Is I can't really tell the difference between the purple and the blue until it's actually in the jar. It looks pretty sweet.
Pizza does a very good seller.
I do too, baby.
I'm sorry.
Is she trying to get into my cabinets again?
No, she was just. I accidentally.
Okay, see, this is why I do it like this. Then I can just take this out and then cut the tip off of this one
We're definitely gonna.
and dump it back in the bag. Poof. See, that's why I do it like that. All right, let's continue and try to make this one look pretty.
Tell a story.
Ooh, careful. Please don't fall off your stool. That would be tragic and against the rules of Mimi's house.
Holding my ankle.
Do you want to tell everybody what the rules are at Mimi's house?
Don't hurt yourself.
No, the first rule is don't kill yourself.
Yep.
Don't die at Mimi's house.
And
Second-
don't go to the emergency.
Yeah, second rule is don't hurt yourself enough that you have to go to the emergency room, because I ain't getting in trouble for that BS. No, I just don't want the kids to get hurt here is all. Alright, all the rest of it is up to you, my love. We were only able to make 6 of them, but all this is yours. Alright, I'm going to let her pipe this into there, and if this isn't too long and whatnot, and we can get Grooves in the Heart done on time, we will go ahead and add it to this. If not, we will see you next week, and we appreciate you for sticking with us. Bye-bye. I'll say bye.
Make sure you subscribe.
You gotta start up there. What'd you say?
Make sure they subscribe.
Oh, wait. Ava says make sure you subscribe. Bye, guys. Let's do this Grooves in the Heart really quick. I said if it was, you know, short enough, we will do it. And I think it's pretty short, so I'm only making 6 of them. And obviously Ava is not here with me. She went with her dad to take her baby sister up to her grandma's. So, okay, I probably should have done this in 2 separate Glad wrap bags. Okay, I'll show it to you up close when we get them done. Ah! I'm getting it all over myself. I want to put a little bit more in here. I'm going to have to do emulsified sugar scrubs in this scent as well. And my daughter and I considered making bath bombs in this scent. Oh, it looks like we're not going to have enough to do 6. Which is so strange because I did the same amount for, well, guess not. I did the same amount that I did for what Ava calls unicorn poop, which is all I need is love. Okay, so let me put a lid on here. And this one isn't as rainbowy. Let me pull this one up for you guys because all the colors ended up coming up. So, oh, maybe if you could see. See, look at that. Well, maybe a little bit, see. I love these always sell really well, the ones that we use, what's it called? Neons. They always sell really well. So, alright guys, I will see you next week. Next week we are going to make cream soap because I will have depleted my entire backlog of whipped soap, and as you know, well, you may know, I make my own cream soap in order to make my whipped soap. So, alright guys, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.